Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Xbox error code 0x87E0000D on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Xbox error and the error code is 0x87E0000D, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, the first option is, first you have to close your Xbox from the tray menu. Click on this. Here you will find your Xbox. Just right click on that and click on quit. After that, you have to open the services. Click on start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. Guys, here you have to select these services as automatic. The first service is gaming service. Select any one of the service, then press G key. Scroll down. Here you will find gaming service. Just you need to right click on that. Click on properties. Here you can see startup type. Select as automatic. Click on start and click on apply. Then click OK. After that, you need to find the Xbox services. Click on select any one of the service, then type X. In last you will find your Xbox, all the services. You have to just right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, automatic, click on start, apply, OK. You have to do same for all the services of Xbox. After completion of this, just close this window. And the second method is, you have to just click on start menu, then type here Xbox. Then right click on this Xbox, then click on app settings. After that, you have to scroll down. Here you will find first option reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. First try to repair it. After repair, if it's not working, then you can reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. After reading this carefully, you can try to reset it. Then click on reset. And after completion of this, then close this window. After that, you have to do same for the Microsoft Store. For that, you have to just click on start menu, then type here Microsoft Store. Here you will find Microsoft Store. Right click on that, then click on app settings. After that, you have to do the same. Just try to repair it. If it's still not working, then try to reset it. After doing this both, still you are facing the issue, then you have to do the final method. You have to reset that Xbox with your PowerShell. For that, you just need to click on the start menu, then type here PowerShell. You can see Windows PowerShell. Right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you have to copy paste two commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can see this is the first command. Right click, copy, go to the PowerShell, right click on the top of the window, click on edit, then click on paste, then hit enter. After that, you have to copy the second command. Right click on the top of the PowerShell window, click on edit, then click on paste, then hit enter. After completion of this, just you have to wait for some time. After completion of this, you have to close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Xbox error code 0x87E0000D on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.